Modern businesses run on data. Every single day, people in organizations just like yours are entering time for payroll, working through processes, crunching numbers, and making big decisions, all powered by information. But let me ask you, how much of that work feels repetitive? How much time could you save if the boring bits just happened on their own? That's where Microsoft Power Platform steps in. Imagine a suite of tools that lets you build custom solutions, automate tasks, and turn raw data into crystal clear insights, even if you're not a developer. Power Platform is your toolkit for bringing smart, data-driven power to your entire business. So what exactly is Power Platform? It's a family of products designed to work together seamlessly. Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, Microsoft Dataverse. Each one has its own superpower, but together they're a game changer for any organization. Let's break it down. Power BI is your go-to for making sense of data. It transforms mountains of numbers into interactive dashboards and visualizations that anyone can understand. Power Apps lets you build custom apps for exactly what you need, no coding required. Power Automate takes all those tedious, repetitive tasks and automates them, freeing up your team's time for what really matters. Power Pages helps you create secure, data-driven websites perfect for sharing information with customers or partners. And Microsoft Dataverse is the foundation, a secure, scalable data platform that ties it all together. One of my favorite features? Connectors. These little powerhouses link your Power Platform solutions to hundreds of data sources, SharePoint, Salesforce, even Twitter, so you can work with your data wherever it lives. And here's where things get really exciting. Power FX. This is the low-code language built for the Power Platform. It's simple, approachable, and designed so that anyone, yes, even you, can build and customize powerful apps with just a few easy formulas. But you know what really blew my mind? Copilot. This is Microsoft's AI-powered assistant built right into Power Platform. With Copilot, you just type your instructions in plain English, and it helps you create apps, automate workflows, and analyze data. It's like having a super smart partner who's always ready to lend a hand. Want to automate approvals or build a quick dashboard? Just tell Copilot what you need and it'll get things rolling. Of course, getting the most out of Copilot means knowing how to craft clear, effective prompts. The more specific you are, the better your results. It's all about working smarter, not harder. So, why does all this matter? Because Power Platform isn't just about technology, it's about empowering people. It gives everyone in your business the tools to solve problems, make better decisions, and drive real results. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid grasp of what Power Platform can do, how its components work together, and how you can put it to work in your own organization. Ready to turn your data into action? Let's get started.